Misha, look what I got for you. Look what I got for you. Look what I got for you. You got a truck? I got you an orange fruit. It's for you, that orange thing behind you. Okay, I'll throw this. Want me to throw this for you? You weirdo. Hey, it's a Misha truck. It's a Misha truck. It's right there. Well, what do you... Was that funny? I threw it. I played with your baby and I threw it. Oh, it's a pumpkin thingy. It's a heritage pumpkin. That's your truck. Yep. Want me to hold on to your truck? Okay, I'll hold your truck. Okay, I'm holding on to it. Misha. Misha. I got your truck. I got your truck. Bye, Arthur. Look, I'm gonna give it to Boo. You want his truck? No? Now you're scared of it? You just want it because it's a toy. Okay, I'm gonna drop your truck because I'm tired of it. I'm tired of it. I'm tired of that. Are you gonna force me to have your truck? Okay, great. I'll take it then. I'll take it. Thank you for giving it to me. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You gave me your truck. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for giving me your truck. It's such a nice truck. I can see why you like it. I can see why you like this truck. You go vroom, 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 vroom with it? You go vroom, vroom, vroom? Do you want it back? Do you want your truck back? Do you want me to give you your truck back? What do you want? Hey, Arthur. Do you want his truck? No, you just want to be on camera because you're a little hamburger. I got your truck. Thank you for giving me your truck. Boo is cautiously scared of it. Truck. This is Misha's toy. Do you want it? Do you want to play with it? It's really cool. This is so cool, Boo. Bye-bye, Arthur. Fine, I'm gonna drop it. Okay, I think I might be all done with this. You just want to be on camera, don't you? Yeah. Taking pictures of Misha, and you want it to be pictures of Boo. What do you want? You just want to be recorded all the time. You want a camera crew following you. You want to be the Boo reality show. Hi, Boo. Hi to your friends. Hi to your friends. Hi to your little friends. Boo waves with his little foot. That's your little foot. Hi, Boo. Yep. Yes. Okay, I gotta get earplugs in.